Hello, good day guys. This is my report about reducing inequality within and among countries. And it's me, your reporter, John Patrick Moravilla. Inequalities in income and wealth are severe and have been widening globally. The richest 1% of the world population now control up to 40% of global assets, while the poorest half owns just 1%. Income quality between countries is higher than that within a large majority of countries, such that individual incomes are still largely associated with a person's citizenship and location. Businesses are engines for economic growth, having the potential to create jobs, foster economic activity through their value chain, and contribute tax revenues for public services and infrastructure. However, business can also exacerbate inequality and its structural drivers, including by being complicit in perpetuating biases and discrimination. All businesses have the responsibility to respect human rights. This includes adopting and implementing policies on respect for human rights, including workers' rights, collective bargaining, decent work conditions, etc. in supply chains. One area to pay particular attention to is when third parties, such as recruitment agencies, are used to source labor. Such activity may place migrant workers at risk of exploitation, such as forced labor and human trafficking, including where recruitment fees are charged to workers and where identity documents are retained. Thus, in addition to addressing their own impacts, businesses should use leverage to try to address adverse impacts with which they may be involved through third parties such as suppliers. Companies should engage governments in a transparent, accountable way and disclose payments to governments, whether through public policy dialogue or tax revenue. Relationships between companies and governments are increasingly recognized as having a significant impact on human rights, which may exacerbate or improve inequality outcomes. In addition to avoiding contributing to inequality, companies can also have a positive impact on addressing inequality through inclusive business models that provide empowerment for marginalized groups in the workplace, marketplace, and community. In that ways, inequality can be prevented. There will be equality in every businesses in each countries, and in turn, this would benefit the citizens living on it and also the employees working for the companies. That's all, and thank you for listening. I hope you learned many after listening to this lesson. Have a good day.